will use one sample application, that is Spring Pet Clinic Cloud, and we will analyze the code using SonarQube. So for that, we will clone this particular repository into our local system, and then we will try to run the code analysis using the Sonar scanner. So first, let's copy this particular URL. Let's go to our terminal and execute git clone, paste the URL, so here we have our repository available in local system. So let's verify it first. So execute cd, say Spring Pet Clinic Cloud ls-al, and we can see that there are multiple folders and files which are available here. So our focus will be on multiple folders which are having different kind of code. So these are all the microservices which are having different codes. So we will verify all the codes using SonarQube. So for that, let's go to our documentation. So here we can see that to analyze the source code, we need different scanners. So let's click on scanner. So as of now, we are going to deal with Maven application. So click on Sonar scanner for Maven. But there is another option which is available, that is called Sonar scanner. So with this, we can configure the code analysis for any kind of project, not specific to a programming language. So what we will do is, for our case, we are going to download version 4.7 of Sonar scanner for Linux 64-bit. It will take some time to download based on your system. And what we can do is, this is the sample configuration file which we can create. So we will create Sonar project property file. So here we can go to our project root directory and click on and execute touch Sonar project properties. So now we can see we have one file available called Sonar project properties. Let's go to our Explorer in Ubuntu. Let's open this particular file and let's go back to the properties, and here we are going to copy this particular properties and paste here. So here we can say Pet Clinic Cloud as key. If you want to provide any name, then you can provide. Here this is not required, so we will remove sonar.sources. So which source folders you want to verify. So here what we will do is, we will only verify very first folder which is available, so that is admin server. So let's copy the name. We are going to execute only this. You can provide your encoding as well. So as of now, we have our Sonar project properties available in the project root. Now let's go back to our project. Here we have already downloaded the Sonar scanner. So let's go to our download folders. Let's cut it in tools. We have this, so extract here. Now we have Sonar scanner available. So here we are in the Sonar scanner folder. Open terminal. say pwd, and we have this particular path here. So what we will do is we will go back to our original terminal and we'll say sonar scanner, and let's try to run it and see what happens. And here we can see there is a failure, and it is giving the error that it is not authorized, and analyzing this project requires authentication. So we need to provide user token in Sonar login or in other form. So what we can do is we have to create token, user token. So for that, let's go to SonarQube, click on administration, click on security, click on users. Here we can see there is no token available, so click on this, and here we are saying Spring Pet Clinic, provide the name and click on generate token. So here we are going to copy this particular token. Make sure that this is only once available, so if you don't copy, then you won't be able to see it again. So copy this and paste it in safer location. So now let's go back to our command and provide sonar.login is equal to, and you can provide your token. And here we can see the execution has gone ahead and it says execution is successful. Let's go and verify in the projects, and we can see the pet clinic cloud has been passed. Let's see what is available here. So this is overall code verified. Here we can see that whatever folder we have provided, that is the only folder which have been analyzed. So here we can see the line of codes, bugs, vulnerabilities, code smells. So here there are 8 code smells. There are no security hotspot. As of now, we haven't configured coverages or anything, unit test related stuff. You can see different security hotspot here if there are available. We can see here bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells. So based on code smell, you can see whether how many of them are blocker, critical, major, minor, and info. You can select a specific category, for example, blocker, and then you can also see what is the issue here, and you can also check the compliant solution, and based on that you can change your code to make sure that your code is clean and adheres to the quality standard of your organization. Now what we will do is we will add more folders in our Sonar sources. So what we have done is we have added all the folders or source folders which are available in the project. in the sonar.sources. We will save it. We will go back to our terminal and we will execute the same command again. This time it might take some more time, and here we are saying that we are having some exception because your project contains .java files and we need to provide compile classes with sonar.java binary properties as well, or we need to exclude them. So what we can do is we can provide the switch again, and we are saying that in the current folder, and let's try to execute and see whether it works. So we can see that analysis is successful, and here we can click on the specific URL, or we can just copy that and we can go here, and here we can see the new code related data. Let's check overall code. So here we can see that there are 28 bugs, there is 0 vulnerability, so security is good, 0 security hotspots, 640 code smells. Let's go to our code, and here we can see all the folders which are available in the Sonar project property files, and here we can see folder specific lines of bugs, lines of code, bugs, vulnerabilities, code smell, security hotspots, coverage, and duplications. So all the information is available here. We can see the major related thing here. We can see security hotspot, which is not in this case. So as of now, we can see that there are bugs. So there are no blocker or critical bugs, but major bugs are there. So as a developer can go to a specific bug, see what is the issue, and find the non-compliant code example, and then verify and then correct it with compliant solution. So this is how we can configure different things, and there are multiple properties, or there are multiple options which can be configured in Sonar project properties. So we can also skip or exclude the exclude specific folders. We can configure any specific SonarQube host as well. So all the configuration can be done here. That's it for today's video. If you like the content, then please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any questions or you have any feedback for me, please leave a comment. I will do my best to respond. Thank you for watching. See you next time.